Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the ethical and programmed concern in staffing in software projects. So let's we discuss. So the ethical concern is classified into 5 types. So there are privacy, security, transparency, intellectual property, and environmental impact. So the first one is privacy, so which means the software projects involve handling sensitive user data. So the ethical concern arises regarding the collections, storage and use of this data. So these project managers must ensure that privacy regulation and ethical guidelines are followed to protect user privacy rights. And second one is security. The ensuring the security of software systems is critical to prevent data breaches, cyber attacks and unauthorized access. So the project manager must prioritize security measures and adhere to ethical standards to safeguard user data and system integrity. And the third type is transparency. So the ethical software development practice emphasize the transparency and honesty in communicating with stakeholders about the capabilities, limitations and risk which is associated with the software being developed. So the project manager should strive for transparency in project planning, execution and communication to build trust and credibility. And the fourth type is intellectual property. So which respect for intellectual property rights is essential in software development projects. So the project manager must ensure that software is developed and distributed in compliance with copyright, patent and licensing laws to avoid legal and ethical consequences. And the last type is environmental impact. So the ethical considerations extend behind human welfare to include environmental sustainability. So the project manager should strive to minimize the environmental impact of software development activities such as reducing energy consumption and minimizing electronic waste. And next topic is programmed concern. So the program concern is classified into 4 types. So there are quality assurance, scalability and performance, maintainability and extensibility, and the fourth one is compliance and standards, and data integrity and reliability, usability and acceptability. So these are the programmed concern types. So the first one is quality assurance. So the quality assurance which means the which include the quality and reliability of the software being developed. So the project managers must implement robust quality assurance process which is including the testing, code review and continuous integration which is to identify and rectify defects and vulnerabilities. And the second type is scalability and performance. So the software system must be designed to handle increasing user loads and data volumes while maintaining performance and scalability. So the project managers should consider scalability and performance requirements from the outset and implement strategies to address them throughout the development life cycles. And the third type is maintainability and extensibility. So the program concerns also encompass the ease of maintaining and extending software systems over time. So the project managers must prioritize code readability, modular design and documentation to facilitate the future enhancement and maintenance activities. And the fourth type is compliance and standards. So the project manager often need to comply with industry standards, regularity requirements and best practice. So the project managers must ensure that the software meets relevant compliance standards and adheres to established industry norms to mitigate risk and ensure interoperability. So, and fourth type is data integrity and reliability. So, which means the data is crucial for software system that handle sensitive information or support critical business process. So the project manager must implement the data validation, encryption and backup mechanisms to safeguard data integrity and reliability. And next type is usability and accessibility. So these concern also including ensuring that software systems are user friendly and accessible to individuals with disabilities. And it should be prioritize usability testing and accessibility standards compliance to enhance the user experience and inclusivity. So these are the ethical and programmed concern in SPM. So this is the assessment and these are the reference. Thank you.